one of the biggest commodity composite companies in Sweden,
Välkommen.
and our content is tailored to help people interested in the composite industry or making their own composites. Our channel features tutorials,
Den är en jätteviktig grej.
product reviews,
Det är gummerat och funkar väldigt bra på kärnmaterial också.
an industry podcast.
If you don't have your team with you, there's no use.
In our tutorials, we provide step-by-step instructions on how to make composite materials. We also share tips and tricks to make the process easier for our viewers. Our product reviews are honest and informative.
That's how it started. I wanted
In our industry podcast, we invite experts from the composite industry
Vi kan erbjuda direktleveranser från våra samarbeten.
to discuss the latest trends, innovations and challenges.
Så ska det vara en epoxy under för att isolera.
We hope our content helps you along with our wide range composite web shop. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content.
Fan. Dra.